Welcome to the launch at Wingate by Wyndham New Castle. Located in the charming town of Glenwood Springs, nestled in a narrow valley with breathtaking mountain vistas, our hotel is proud to be the home of an award-winning golf course. With our convenient location near Glenwood Springs, you'll have easy access to all the wonders our wonderful town has to offer. Finding and booking a room at our hotel is a breeze, and it won't put a strain on your wallet. Situated near Interstate 70 at exit number 105, we provide effortless accessibility to attractions such as Lakota Golf Course, Glenwood Hot Springs Pool, Sunlight Ski Resort, and more. We take great pride in ensuring a pleasant stay for our guests. Our hotel offers 100 non-smoking rooms with free Wi-Fi, as well as a delightful picnic area where you can unwind and enjoy the surroundings. We believe in providing more value for less, so go ahead and reserve your room now through our website to secure the best pricing and maximum availability. Our guest rooms are thoughtfully designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. When you make the smart and sensible choice to stay with us, you'll experience affordable comfort at its finest. Visit our website at thelodge@newcastle.com to learn more and make your reservation.